Hello class 9. This video is in continuation with my previous videos. In this video you will be learning about the structure of a general cell. So when the cell was studied under the microscope, then various parts of different types of cells, plants and animal cells, were observed under the microscope. In general structure of a cell has three main parts. You can see in all these labeling, three parts have been circled. Number one is cell membrane, then is cytoplasm, and the third is nucleus. It means these three parts are present in every cell, whether it is plant cell or it is animal cell. Remember, animals are composed of animal cells. That means their cell is known as animal cell, and all the plants, their cells are called plant cell. So every cell, whether it is an animal cell or plant cell, it has cell membrane. Now what is cell membrane? The outermost covering. That means a cell is covered by a membrane that is called cell membrane. So both animal and plant cells, they have cell membrane. Second part is cytoplasm. Now what is the cytoplasm? It is semi-liquid, transparent ground substance of a cell. It is present inside a cell. So it is present in both animal and plant cell. And third is a nucleus. Now nucleus is present. Nucleus is centrally located in an animal cell, and it is towards the periphery, towards the boundary in a plant cell. This I will be telling you in the differences between animal and plant cell. First point is that a cell has three main parts. It has cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. It has cytoplasm, that is a semi-liquid transparent substance inside the cell. And the cell also contains nucleus. Then all these parts I will be explaining you in detail also. The cytoplasm, you can see in cytoplasm there are various small structures. Some of them I have labeled here. So these structures like mitochondria. Then these structures like Golgi. This is Golgi body. I don't have space here, so I have not written. This is Golgi body. Then mitochondria. These are endoplasmic reticulum. Then there are ribosomes. These are small structures present in the cytoplasm, and they are called organelles. That I will be explaining you in my next videos. So today you have learned that every cell contains three main parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Now since animal and plant cell has been drawn here, there are three main differences, children. There are other differences also, but you should always remember three main differences between an animal cell and a plant cell, and these differences are underlined. Now see, cell wall. I told you cell membrane is present in both. Okay, but in addition to the cell membrane, plant cells also contain a wall around. Wall means it is again a membrane. So this membrane is around cell membrane. That means plant cells, they have both cell membrane as well as cell wall. So this cell wall is not present in animal cell. You cannot see any cell membrane in animal cell. So this is first difference between animal and plant cell, that plant cells, they contain a cell wall also in addition to the cell membrane. Animal cells, they do not contain any cell wall. Second word which is underlined is chloroplast. Children, this is the structure where the process of photosynthesis takes place. And because you all know that photosynthesis is carried out by plants. So these small structures known as chloroplast, which is site of photosynthesis, is only present in plant cell, not present in animal cells, because animals, they do not make their own food by photosynthesis. So chloroplast is present in plant cell. And third difference is vacuole. Now this vacuole, animal cells, they either they do not have any vacuole, or if vacuoles are present in animal cell, they are very, very small. Many small vacuoles are present. In plant cell, you can clearly see that there is a large vacuole almost in the center of a cell. So this is third difference between animal and plant cell. Plant cells, they have a large vacuole, and animal cells, they have many vacuoles and very small vacuole, or sometimes vacuoles are even absent. So children, these are three differences between animal and plant cell. Number one difference, plant cells have cell wall, animal cells, they do not have any cell wall. Second is, plant cells, they contain chloroplast, animal cells, they do not have chloroplast. Plant cells, they have a large vacuole in the center, animal cells, they do not have any vacuole, or if vacuole is present, then very small and many vacuoles are present in the cytoplasm. These other structures which are present in the cytoplasm, these are known as organelles, and one by one I will be explaining you about these all organelles, their function, their structure in my next videos.